Hello friends, how are you? Today our topic is HTML background image. How we can add background image in our web page. There are two ways. The first way is use style attribute and the second way is use style tag. We discussed about attribute and tags before in our past videos. I shall add the links in our description below. To add style as an attribute, you first mention the tag and then you add the style attribute. The second way is use style as tag. So here you have the style tag. Style tag is usually used within the head tag. Within this style tag, what you have here is actually CSS, but we have not discussed about CSS. But in this case, I will do a little bit of discussion. It will not be difficult to understand. First of all, you add the tag name and you have the curly brace. Within that, you mention the property name and then you mention the location. Like here, you mention the property name and then you have the location. Now, let us do practice in our code. So, in our past lectures, linebreak.html, here is that lecture. We discussed how to publish a poem and how to align it properly. Here is the output. We have used line breaks to have proper lines, and you see the poem is also right aligned. But our responsibility was something like this. We need to have background image that we shall apply today. So here let us first try the first method, which is using style attribute. So here is the body, then add style attribute, enter. Here you need to have the property name, which is background image. So here from drop down and URL. So this is the value URL. You need to mention the location, single quote. Here first of all add a dot, which means current folder, and then slash, which means within the current folder we have ocean.png. So here is the ocean.png, you see. We will add this. So save it. So it is used here as a background of the body tag. Body means the whole page. So here is the output. Reload. You see. Now our web page looks beautiful. Although the fonts are not exactly what we required, but we will learn step by step. No worries. Then we can also use this attribute on other text. So cut it, save it, and then let's try on h1 page, Ctrl V, save. Let's check the h1, reload. Sorry, something wrong. We actually missed double quote here. So reload. Now it is fixed. Now let's try the same thing, cut it and paste it on a paragraph. So here first paragraph and then reload. So you see background of this paragraph is now ocean.png. Okay, now let us try the second method using style tag. First of all delete this part, save. Let us check. So there is no background image here. Now within the head let us add the style tag. Enter, and then we need to mention which tag we want to modify. So in this case body, second bracket, curly brace. So within the curly brace we need to first mention the property we want to change, which is background image. Then you mention URL and first bracket. Within that mention the location. So dot, which means current folder, and then slash, which means within this location. So we have the ocean.png. Enter, save. Let's check the result. Now we have the background image for the body, whole body. Now let's try for other tags. I will try h1. So remove body and h1, save, reload. So you see for h1. Then I will try paragraph, save, reload. You see. So what happened here? Previously when we tried for paragraph here, just this paragraph was changed. But in this case, all these paragraphs have been changed. So this is a feature of CSS. You can apply property value for all paragraphs in this case. So here, because we said paragraph, we did not mention here or here. So it means that it is going to apply this for all paragraphs. Hopefully you understood. So now we have like the sample. Now we do not want our paragraph as a background image. We want our body. So we want to revert our change and apply for body text. So remove P and use body. Save, load. So it is done. Thank you.